Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, while Ethereum plays out this bearish divergence, we are also seeing the Bitcoin price head towards this technical price target, which I'll talk more about later in the video, so definitely stick around. First of all, starting off on the daily Bitcoin chart, and right now, this bullish divergence on the daily Bitcoin chart is beginning to wear off because on average, a bullish divergence on the daily time frame lasts for around 1 to 2 weeks before it begins to wear off. And what a bullish divergence means for the Bitcoin price is that we're due to see reduced bearish momentum. But now that this bullish divergence is potentially beginning to wear off, that means we could see some more bearish momentum return. But with that being said, as of right now, if you're looking at the daily Bitcoin RSI, this is still holding above this important ascending line of support, because right now this support line in the RSI is sitting at around 43, with the RSI itself sitting at around 45. But if we end up seeing the daily Bitcoin RSI break below this ascending line of support, then that would be a bearish signal on this time frame, basically confirming that the bearish momentum has returned. But for now, at least, it's likely that we're going to see either some sideways price action or a slight pullback, because if you're also looking at the daily Bitcoin MACD, as of right now, we are currently seeing declining bullish momentum, which once again points towards either choppy sideways price action or a slight pullback in the price of Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And now, if you zoom into a smaller time frame like the 4-hour chart, obviously over the last few days, we've already seen some declining price action just after this bearish divergence confirmed in the short term, which once again means that we're due to see reduced bullish momentum in the short term. And the most common outcomes for a bearish divergence are either choppy sideways price action or a slight pullback in the price of Bitcoin. And as for support and resistance, first of all, we still have resistance at around 17.1k approximately. And as for support, if you take a look at this previous level of resistance, that was resistance right back here, this is currently acting as some short-term support, at least at the time of recording this video. And this level of support, by the way, is sitting at around 16.7k. But if the price of Bitcoin breaks below 16.7k, then I would expect a drop down towards around 16.4 to 16.5k, because that is the technical price target for this ascending broadening wedge pattern, which is technically a bearish pattern, as I said 2 days ago. And obviously, since 2 days ago, the price of Bitcoin has clearly broken this level of support, which was sitting at around 16.9k approximately. And since then, we've also seen multiple 4-hour candle closes, which technically means this break has been confirmed and this price target is currently in play, once again at around 16,500 approximately. But anyway, getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the daily ETH to US dollar chart, and as of right now, the price of ETH is struggling to maintain above this important support level, which was sitting at around 1240 approximately. So technically speaking, it would be a bearish signal if we begin to see a further break below this important support level. But with that being said, if you're looking on this daily ETH to US dollar chart, we have the golden pocket level of support still coming into play in between around 1180 going up towards around 1210, where we should also be expecting some support. So as of right now, of course, that is the level of support that I'm currently paying attention to on the daily time frame. And as for resistance, if you zoom into the 4-hour time frame, we still have a lot of resistance right here in this price range coming into play in between around 1280 going up towards around 1320. And once again, as I've been talking about over the last few days, the price of ETH was not only running into this range of resistance, we were also seeing a bearish divergence telling us that we're losing bullish momentum at the same time as the price running into heavy resistance. So at least just in the short term, over the last few days, we have seen multiple bearish confirmation signals telling us that we're very likely going to see some sort of bearish price action just in the short term, or at the very least, some sideways price action. But once again, I would not be expecting a lot of bullish price action in the imminent short term due to multiple bearish signals at the moment, at least just in the short term. And And as for support, right now, as I'm recording this video, the price of ETH is currently running into this support, which is sitting at approximately 1220 based on this previous level of resistance now flipped into new support. But if the price of ETH breaks below that key level of 1220, then I would expect a drop down towards this low, which is sitting at roughly around 1150 to 1160. And now, if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, no matter if the price is going up, down, or simply chopping around sideways, then make sure to check out these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left of your screen is a step-by-step guide on how to make money if the price is going either up or down, and the video in the bottom left of your screen shows you how to make money if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.